Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers Mitsubishi Mirage step by step. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass. Press the blade release tab, slide the old blade off, align the new blade with the hook. Slide until it clicks, lower the arm gently, and test the sweep on the windshield to confirm full contact and smooth motion with no streaking. Begin by parking the car and turning off the ignition. Then lift the wiper arm away from the glass to access the blade. Depress the small release tab while supporting the blade. Pivot the blade to clear the hook. Gently slide the blade down and off the arm. Inspect the wiper arm for damage or corrosion, and clean the windshield edge where the blade rests to ensure proper seating of the new blade. Quick recommendation and a friendly reminder to subscribe and like if this video is helping you. It supports the channel and helps us make more useful content. On another note, here's a product seen here. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, handy to read between tasks while working on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Align the replacement blade with the arm hook and slide it into position until you hear an audible click. Confirm the blade is locked by gently tugging it. Lower the arm slowly to avoid snapping contact. Repeat the process for the opposite side, making sure both blades match length and type. Wipe the windshield to remove fingerprints and debris. Then test the wipers on low and high speeds to check for streaks or chatter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.